Some of you, 30 years old, still praying for confirmation. You want God to come down and say, my son, marry Sister Grace. Her jollof is anointed.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to use Grok for completely free using this particular website I'm about to show you today. Now, you can see from this website, it is written Grok is completely free to tell you that this website is free as of the time of recording this video. Now, let's get started. What you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome web browser and search for this particular website. The website name is called Gemini Gen AI. From here, you will see this particular first website. Tap on the website to open it up. When you open this website, this is the interface that you are going to see. You need to scroll down, then get to where you see start creating. So you need to tap on this particular button before you can start generating video on this website. So once you tap on that, there are different other things you can use this website for. So these are things you can use this website for, but for this video we are going to be focusing on the video generation. So that's what we are going to be using this website for. Now you need to scroll down again, and from this bottom side you are going to see other models available to you that you can use. But from here you can see that Google View 3 is completely free on this website. You can see it's written down here. Then if you scroll here, you are going to now see Grok. So you can see it is written Grok is completely free. We are going to select Grok because it is Grok that we want to use. Once that is selected, so from here, this is where you select the model that you want to use. For this particular model, we are going to use Grok 3, which is free. Then after that, this is where you now enter in your prompt. So let's assume you already have your prompt, or let's say you don't have a prompt for you to use. You just have to go to ChatGPT and get your video prompt for you to use. So I'm going to just go to ChatGPT now and copy the prompt that I want to use. Let's assume I've already copied my prompt. So I'm going to go back to this website, and in the text box area here, this is where you paste in your prompt. So I'm going to just paste in my prompt. So now you need to fine tune your prompt, edit your prompt. Some things you don't like, you remove it from your prompt. You already know how to edit your prompt, so I don't need to waste my time on that. So after entering in your prompt, then you need to scroll down, and among this option, this is where you select your video aspect ratio. So we have different aspect ratio that you can pick from. We have the landscape, and then we have the vertical aspect ratio, that's the portrait aspect ratio. So select the one that you want your video to be in. I'm going to select landscape because I'm using this video for YouTube video. So after selecting your aspect ratio, then here you need to select your video resolution. So we have standard resolution, which is 480p, and then we have the high resolution, which is 720p. Then we have the video duration right from here, so we can select 6 seconds or 10 seconds. You now need to come down here and tap on the generate option. You can see it is written down here, this generation will cost 0 credit, so I'm not going to be charged when generating this. All right, so now I'm going to just tap on generate. Now once you tap on generate, you are going to be asked to verify you are a human. So just tap on that, make sure you verify that. And I forgot to mention, before you can start generating video on this website, you must have to sign in. Then another thing I need to clarify is that you cannot generate video of 10 seconds on this website for free. So you can only generate video of 6 seconds on this website. So you need to bear that in mind. And then from this bottom side, our video is going to be generated. Now let's play the video and see how it looks like.
You want God to come down and say, my son, marry Sister Grace. Her jollof is anointed.
So you can see how cool and nice that video is. Now, if you want to go ahead to generate another video, you are going to repeat the same process. You go to the prompt area, you enter in a new prompt, and then you tap on the generate option. Your video is going to be generated, and then you download your video. This is how you generate video using this website for completely free. If this video was helpful to you and you have learned something today, let me know in the comment section of this video, and also let us know if there's any free website that we can use. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.